Retail payments are quite expensive for merchants today. The reason is the card scheme, which is used to move the money from one account to another. Beside of the scheme fee, the merchant has to spend money for a card terminal with an encrypted PIN pad and a chip card reader. Let's redesign this old school solution. Today the shopper has a mobile phone and there are payment options in it. He knows how to do a credit transfer on his phone and how to do the authorization with it. Our solution takes advantage of that. The merchant just needs a little device to transfer his account information to the mobile phone. In the phone it will be matched what payment method fits best for both the merchant and the shopper. A certification server is involved in the transaction to ensure that no fraud is possible. The confirmation of the payment comes back to the pad and the merchant can hand over the goods. This system is up and running for different payment methods already, including cryptocurrencies. Thank you.